Welcome to Italy, a country where history, culture, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 destinations you must visit when traveling to Italy. Starting our countdown at number 10. The Amalfi Coast. Stunning stretch of coastline along the southern edge of Italy. With its picturesque towns clinging to cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. It's a paradise for both relaxation and adventure. Moving on to number 9. Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 colorful villages carved into rugged cliffs along the Ligurian coast. Each village offers unique charm, hiking trails with breathtaking views, and delicious seafood straight from the Mediterranean. Next up at number 8. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and a treasure trove of art and architecture. From the iconic Duomo to the Uffizi Gallery, every corner of Florence tells a story of artistic brilliance and cultural heritage. Now, at number 7. Venice, the city of canals and romance. Explore the labyrinthine streets, glide along the Grand Canal in a gondola, and marvel at the Byzantine architecture of St. Mark's Basilica. Moving along to number 6. Tuscany, a region synonymous with rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval hilltop towns. Indulge in world-renowned wines, savor authentic Tuscan cuisine, and immerse yourself in the idyllic countryside. Halfway through our list at number 5. Pompeii and Mount Vesuvius, where ancient history meets natural wonder. Walk through the remarkably preserved ruins of Pompeii, then hike to the summit of Mount Vesuvius for panoramic views of the Bay of Naples. Coming in at number 4. Sicily, Italy's largest island, with a rich tapestry of cultures and landscapes. Stroll through Baroque towns like Noto, and indulge in Sicilian cuisine that blends Italian and Mediterranean flavors. Now, let's move on to number 3. Milan, Italy's bustling fashion and financial capital. Visit the magnificent Milan Cathedral. Shop in the fashion district of Quadrilatero della Moda, and admire Da Vinci's The Last Supper at Santa Maria del Grazie. Second on our list at number 2. Rome, the Eternal City and a living museum of ancient history. From the Colosseum to the Roman Forum, Vatican City to the Trevi Fountain, every corner of Rome tells tales of empires, art, and grandeur. And finally, the number 1 destination in Italy. Lake Como. A serene lake surrounded by mountains and elegant villas, including the town of Bellagio, known for its beautiful gardens and scenic views. From the hearty pastas of the south to the delicate risottos of the north, Italian cuisine is celebrated worldwide for its rich flavors, regional diversity, and emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients. In the north, Lombardy is known for its creamy risottos and hearty meat dishes like ossobuco, braised veal shanks. Italian food encompasses a wide range of dishes that reflect its varied history and cultural influences. Italian cuisine is deeply rooted in its regional differences. Emilia-Romagna, often considered the gastronomic heart of Italy, boasts iconic dishes such as lasagna, tortellini, and prosciutto di Parma. Moving south to Naples and the Campania region, pizza reigns supreme, with its thin crusts and simple, yet flavorful toppings like fresh mozzarella and basil. Pasta is a cornerstone of Italian cuisine. In the South, pasta is often paired with robust tomato sauces, seafood, and spicy flavors. Italian cooking places a premium on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, and herbs such as basil, oregano, and rosemary are fundamental components. No Italian meal is complete without something sweet. Tiramisu, a decadent dessert made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese, is a beloved classic. Gelato, Italy's answer to ice cream, comes in a dizzying array of flavors, from pistachio to stracciatella. Coffee culture is also integral to Italian culinary tradition, with espresso being the preferred way to end a meal. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Italy's top 10 destinations. Which of these places are you adding to your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Arrivederci.